ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। ਮਹੱਲਾ ਪਹਿਲਾ। ਨਾਏ ਮਨੀਏ ਪਤ ਉਪਜੈ ਸਲਾਹੀ ਸਚ ਸੂਤ। In the first part of this pankti, Guruji says nae mane, meaning believing in the name. And what Guruji means by the name is Waheguruji. And then Guruji says the honor is obtained. So by believing in Waheguruji's name, there's honor to be obtained by whoever does believe in Waheguruji's name. And then in the latter half of the pankti, Guruji says that Waheguruji's praise to those who do believe in his name do get a sacred thread. And that thread is by praise from Waheguruji. So this truthful sacred thread, this truth that's in this thread that is given to us by Waheguruji is that from his praise. And the reason why this idea of a thread is introduced in this pankti is because it was previously in the other previous shabads where this idea of a thread was introduced that embodied all the good qualities that we need to have. So this thread of truth is given to us by Waheguruji's praise. And we want this because this thread will not go away and will always stay into us because it will be part of our mentality. So that is a benefit of believing in Waheguruji's name, which is honor, and the benefit of Waheguruji's praise, which is this thread of truth. Darge andar paiye dag na tottes poot. Guru Nanak Dev Ji in this pankti describe how the sacred thread that was mentioned in the previous pankti is worn in Waheguruji's court and will never break. So Guruji is just re-explaining the properties of this thread, how it's not lost because the court of Waheguruji is not in our living realm. You go into the court of Waheguruji once you die, and that's where judgment happens of all your karams in your lifetime. So this thread is not thrown away once you're dead like any other cheap one, and it comes straight from Waheguruji, and it's in the court of Waheguruji because in the court of Waheguruji where judgment happens, it is almost a describer of your deeds because it shows that you have obtained a true sacred thread from Waheguruji, but it also shows that you have received Waheguruji's praise and that you believe in Waheguruji's name, so you have that honor. And this thread is a display of that in the court of Waheguruji. And in a place where judgment is made, this shows Waheguruji that you do have the proper mentality and that you have had a useful life, that you've not wasted your time, and it's overall a good describer. So Guruji is just telling us indirectly here that there is a benefit in saying Waheguruji's name and believing in that, and from this you gain truth and honor, and you can use that after you die to go into Waheguruji's court and prove yourself and show that you have not wasted your time here. And that is what Guruji wants us to know, and Guruji wants us to believe in Waheguruji's name and to say Waheguruji's name like he has. So maybe we can even obtain such a thread for ourselves and won't be ashamed in Waheguruji's court. Waheguruji ka khalsa, Waheguruji ki fateh.